Nearly 250,000 households in the Tampa Bay area, many of them children, rely on SNAP to put food on the table.
Yeah, and that means nearly 500,000 people in our area alone will go without those benefits come tomorrow. This morning, food banks across Tampa Bay, they are sounding the alarm because of a widespread loss of paychecks. There's already a desperate need for donations.
Yeah, and now those relying on food stamps to stretch their grocery budgets will be next in line for that extra help. 10 Tampa Bay News reporter Christina Mendez is live at Metro Ministries this morning in Tampa. And Christina, they are in emergency mode now, and the holidays are right around the corner.
Jenny Jameson, right now, SNAP is really a lifeline for many of the families right in our own backyard. Hillsborough County, for example, 13% of all households rely on this benefit. And now these food banks are really in emergency mode, trying to make sure that everyone is able to go home with food to take to their table. Let's start where I am this morning in Tampa. Metro Ministries does plan to increase their hot meal site locations, already has done so. The president and CEO says there is an unprecedented amount of people reaching out, trying to secure services ahead of these SNAP benefits likely being paused tomorrow. And this doesn't just include meals, guys. This also includes extra counseling sessions. For perspective, 60% of those relying on supplemental food income have children. Between federal workers going without pay, the anticipation of food stamps coming to a temporary stop, and of course, Thanksgiving now just weeks away, the increase in demand has food banks now calling on our community, you at home, to pitch in if you can through donations from food, money, and your time as volunteers.
If SNAP benefits are paused, we're going to see quadruple the number of children and families coming through our doors for additional assistance. And so we're reaching out to the Tampa Bay community, who has been so generous in the past, to ensure that our doors can remain open and that Metropolitan Ministries can ensure that we're serving the children and families and our seniors and veterans, especially right before holidays.
Now that is a sobering number. Over to Feeding Tampa Bay now, another hunger relief organization. Starting Monday, this grocery store at the Causeway Center in Tampa, they will turn into an emergency food support site for SNAP relief. And following that, each day of the week, there will be different sites opening across 7 counties, from Hillsborough all the way to Manatee County. We will be talking to the CEO later this morning, getting their perspective of what they anticipate seeing, especially with these mega sites opening across our region starting next week. Bottom line, there are a lot of people here in Tampa Bay waiting with open arms to help you there at home. We will make sure to compile a big list of those resources so it's easy for you to access. And if you can help in any way, from your time to donations to money, we will also make sure to include that information as well. Reporting live in Tampa this morning, Christina Mendez, 10 Tampa Bay News.